Now we'll move towards perfect tenses. First is present perfect tense. So see the structure. Subject, helping verb has or have, verb third form plus object. We put third form of verb in all perfect tenses. In negative, the structure will be subject, helping verb has or have plus not, verb third form plus object. In interrogative, helping verb has or have will come at the start plus subject, then third form of verb and object question mark. We use helping verb has with third person singular and have with all other subjects. So the sentence will be I. We use have with I, and the third form of verb go is gone to school. I have gone to school. Negative will be I have not gone to school. In interrogative it will be have I gone to school question mark. Past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense is subject, helping verb had. We use had with all kind of subjects plus third form of verb plus object. Negative, subject had not plus third form of verb then object. And interrogative structure will be helping verb had will come at the start plus subject third form of verb object question mark. Right sentences. I had gone to school. Negative, I had not gone to school. In interrogative, had I gone to school question mark. Next is future perfect tense. The structure is subject, helping verbs will have plus third form of verb and object. Negative, subject will not, then we write have, third form plus object. Interrogative, will, subject, have, third form of verb and object question mark. So sentence will be I will have gone to school. I will not have gone to school. And interrogative, will I have gone to school question mark. Next we have perfect continuous sentences. First, present perfect continuous tense. Structure is subject. We have helping verbs has or have been plus verb ing form object, and after the object we use time reference, and with the time reference we use prepositions since or for. Negative, subject, helping verb has and have, then we put not, and then we write been, verb ing form object time reference. Interrogative, helping verb has and have will come at the start of the sentence, and then subject, been, verb ing form object, and then we put time reference. See the sentences. Subject is I, helping verb have been, verb ing form going to, object is school, and time reference is 2 years. So with 2 years we use preposition for, because 2 years is a time duration, and with time duration we use preposition for, and the starting point of an action we use preposition since. In negative sentence, I have not been going to school for 2 years. In interrogative, have I been going to school for 2 years question mark. Past perfect continuous tense. Subject had been plus verb ing form object and time reference. Negative, subject plus helping verb had, then not plus been, verb ing form plus object, and then we put time reference. Interrogative, helping verb had plus subject been, verb ing form object, and then time reference and question mark. Sentences will be I, helping verb, had been going to school for 2 years full stop. I had then not been going to school for 2 years. In interrogative, had I been going to school for 2 years. Last is future perfect continuous tense. Structure is subject, helping verbs are will, have, been, verb ing form object, and then time reference. In negative we write subject will and then not, then helping verbs have been, verb ing form object, and then we put time reference. In interrogative, structure will be will plus subject have been, verb ing form object, and then time reference. So the sentences will be I, helping verbs are will have been. I will have been going to school for 2 years. नेगेटिव I will and will के बाद not, I will not have been going to school for 2 years. In interrogative will start में आ जाएगा will I have been going to school for 2 years question mark. So here we have done this tenses game of page number 55. Note down your home task. Do practice of tenses in the AR. Take care and Allah Hafiz.